In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add ramps to your sidewalk on Revit. There is actually two ways to do this. If you want to go with the more complicated way of selecting the ramp option and enter all the settings, go ahead. However, there is a much more efficient and faster way of doing this. First, you're gonna want to select your floor and make a sidewalk. I selected a 400 millimeters thickness. So okay, this is a huge one. It's just for the tutorial purpose, okay? And the next thing you're gonna want to do is select on add split line and sketch it like you normally would on AutoCAD. Okay, here we go. Okay, here the angle doesn't matter because I'm just gonna show you the tutorial here, but in real life you're gonna be adding whatever angle that is required by the municipality or the building code. Okay, let me sketch it out. Okay, once you're done with the first part of this sketching, you're gonna want to select escape and then do the second part now, which is this part. Alright. Okay, once you're done sketching it, you're gonna select the whole thing and go to edit type, edit structure, and click on variable. Okay, this part is very important. Go to 3D, click on the structure, and then modify sub element. Click right in the middle. You don't want to click on the sides, okay? Just click in the middle here and drag it down to whatever height you want it to be. See? Let's say your ramp happens to be very short for you and you want to modify it. Easy. Just go to the top view, click on it, modify sub element, and just drag it. Make sure you have a, okay, see, it's longer now.